If you have a GMC Canyon or a Chevrolet Colorado with a 2.8 Duramax turbo diesel, you'll notice that a boost gauge is nowhere to be found. Nothing. So today's video, I ordered one of these Autool model X60, $35. According to the description, you'll be able to read your boost through the OBD2 port. So it's an easy way to get a boost gauge, hopefully, if you want to look at your boost. So let's go ahead and try this out right now. Here's what the gauge looks like, and it'll plug into your OBD2 port, which is right here. In some cars it might be that way, but every 1996 and newer car has one. I believe this only works in GM and Ford vehicles that are newer than 2008 though. Unfortunately, I have to report that this gauge does not read boost in a 2.8 Duramax. Would have been nice though, because it's a nice looking little gauge. But yeah, no boost. Okay, this isn't as pleasing to the eye as a circle gauge. It's just a rectangle, but ultra gauge actually shows boost. So let's go ahead and test this out right now. Had this laying around for a while. Took this out of my Saturn that I sold last year. Okay, I'm on a back road right now. I'm about to floor it. I think I saw 16 PSI of boost right there. So there you go, ultra gauge. If you want an easy way of looking at your boost, just get an ultra gauge. I want to say I paid $55 for this a while back. Look at the website, see the prices these days. I bought this a while ago. There you go, see. I'm not on the throttle right now. Step on the throttle here. Boost 14, 17, 17, 16. So what is this? Put out like 17 PSI max? Something like that. Ultra gauge. Easy way to look at your boost pressure. Yeah, I was really disappointed at the X60 or X90, whatever it was. It was cheap. It was only like $35, but I was hoping that would show boost, but it didn't.